Trump took a bite out of Apple. Apple shares fell due to a decision by the U.S. president. Investors fear the deterioration of Apple. Apple shares fell by almost 6% due to the fact that U.S. President Donald Trump raised duties on imports of a number of goods from China. The fall in stocks occurred after leading experts and investors expressed concerns that Trump's decision would have a very negative impact on Apple. Wedbush analysts have published an article on the potential impact of increasing duties on imports of goods from China to the United States. In it, experts have calculated that the cost of production of the iPhone will increase by 2 to 3%. Considering that Apple releases tens of millions of iPhones every quarter, this will be a serious blow for the company. Experts stress that currently Trump's sanctions have affected only some Apple products. However, the U.S. president has repeatedly threatened to introduce identical increased duties on the import of absolutely all goods from China. If this happens, Apple's potential additional costs for the production of all devices will increase by more than 10%. Against the background of these forecasts, Apple shares slipped in price immediately by 5.8%. At the time of writing, the company's securities continued to fall.